In this video, we will introduce you to the top 7 best ironing boards. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 7 best ironing boards. Number 7. Joseph Glide Max Plus. The Joseph Glide Max Plus ironing board brings sleek innovation to your laundry routine. Designed with convenience and modern living in mind, it folds down to a compact size, making it ideal for homes where space is at a premium. Despite its compact nature, the 135 by 45 centimeter surface gives you ample room to press clothes quickly and effectively. With 5 adjustable height positions, you can tailor the board to your perfect working level, whether sitting or standing, for a more comfortable experience every time. But what truly sets the Glide Plus apart is its thoughtful and practical features. The advanced anti-drip cotton cover features drip shield technology, so you won't have to deal with water buildup or soggy spots during steam ironing. The large retractable iron rest keeps your hot irons safely off the fabric, and when you're done, simply hang the board with the included hook for hassle-free storage. Stylish, space-saving, and cleverly engineered, this board is a smart addition to any home. Number 6. Ironmatic Space Saver. Compact, clever, and stylish, the Ironmatic Space Saver ironing board is perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Despite its small footprint, it offers a spacious 44 by 15-inch ironing surface and folds out to a full 62-inch length. With height adjustability and sturdy no-slip legs, you can enjoy a comfortable and stable experience whether standing or sitting. Plus, it's designed with a heat-resistant silicone tray and removable strap to keep your irons safely in place. What sets it apart is its user-focused, ergonomic design. From its over-the-door hanger to the aesthetic silver and red accents, this board isn't just functional, it looks good doing the job. The triple-layer padded top allows for steam to pass through evenly, ensuring flawless results every time. If you're short on space but big on style and practicality, the Ironmatic is the perfect match. Number 5. Zabotat Full Size. The Zabotat full-size ironing board is built for performance and peace of mind. With its sturdy full-metal construction and anti-skid feet, it stands tall against wobbles and slips. Its 57 by 15-inch ironing surface, combined with triple-layer heat-resistant padding, gives you a smooth and scorch-free glide across every fabric type. Say goodbye to burnt shirts and hello to crisp perfection. Plus, it comes with an integrated iron caddy and a smart wall-mount hanger for easy storage. The built-in cord holder keeps everything tangle-free, so you can iron more efficiently without interruptions. Whether you're tackling dress shirts or delicate linens, the Zabotat board delivers reliability and comfort with every press. It's practical, powerful, and ready to upgrade your laundry routine. Number 4. VKTO Rolling. Looking for a smart solution for small spaces? The VKTO Rolling ironing board with storage cabinet does more than iron. It organizes. Its foldable design makes it a space-saving dream for laundry rooms, craft rooms, or apartments. With lockable wheels for easy mobility and stability, you can roll it out when needed and tuck it away when you're done. It's functional, portable, and surprisingly elegant. This board doubles as a storage hub with multiple compartments to stash your iron, steamer, and all your laundry essentials. Crafted from solid wood and heat-resistant materials, it's as sturdy as it is stylish. The sponge-padded surface ensures wrinkle-free results with ease, and it's built to fit right into any room's decor. Convenience, style, and efficiency all wrapped into one ironing station. Number 3. Reliable 320 LB. If you're serious about ironing, the reliable 320 LB home ironing board will feel like a professional upgrade. Designed in Italy, this 2-in-1 ironing board features an extendable surface that caters perfectly to quilters, crafters, and anyone who needs more space. Simply slide on the extension, and you'll have a massive 55-inch pressing area to work with, ideal for large garments or detailed projects. It's not just about space, it's about performance too. The unique Vera foam pad offers a smooth, breathable surface, while the Connex heat-resistant zone lets you safely park your iron without worry. Built on a heavy-duty tube frame with double wishbone legs, this board offers unmatched stability and smooth folding storage. From its flame-retardant surface to its rock-solid frame, the 320-pound takes your ironing game to new heights. Number 2. Brabbantia Size B. The Brabbantia Size B ironing board is one of the most popular choices for a reason. It's built to deliver simplicity, safety, and smooth ironing every time. With a perfectly sized 49 by 15-inch surface, 7 adjustable height options, and a reliable steam iron rest, it's tailor-made for comfort and ease of use. Whether you're left or right-handed, this board adapts seamlessly, giving you the flexibility to iron your way. Its robust frame includes non-slip feet and a smart child lock to prevent accidental collapse, making it especially family-friendly. Plus, Brabbantia backs this board with a 10-year guarantee, so you know it's built to last. Whether you're a daily ironer or just touching up clothes before work, this board makes the task a lot more enjoyable and dependable. Number 1. Bartelli Pro Luxury. Say goodbye to wobbly ironing boards once and for all. The Bartelli Pro Luxury ironing board is engineered in Europe for unmatched sturdiness and durability. With its extra-wide 51 by 19-inch surface, thick cotton cover, and resilient foam padding, your ironing sessions will glide smoother and faster. It's perfect for anyone who wants a frustration-free, stable, and reliable experience, whether you're pressing a quick outfit or handling a full laundry load. But the brilliance doesn't stop there. This board is packed with thoughtful features that make ironing feel less like a chore. The adjustable height gives you complete comfort whether you're sitting or standing, and when you're done, the T-leg design folds neatly away with a secure lock. It even includes an iron rest, hanging rack, and washable pad for added convenience. This isn't just an ironing board, it's your new ironing station, all in one. And there you have it, our top best ironing boards that combine functionality, stability, and smart design to make ironing less of a hassle and more of a breeze. Whether you need something spacious and sturdy, compact and stylish, or full of built-in storage, there's a board here to suit every home and lifestyle. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.